In this video,
We will learn how to add friends on Fortnite. In order to add friends on Fortnite, firstly you will need to open up your Fortnite game. After that, you will click on your profile button on the top right hand side of your screen, then left click. Under the social tab, you will find the add friends tab, left click on it. In here, firstly you will find all of your friend requests that is given to you. So what you do with it is completely up to you. You can either accept the friend request or reject them or also block them. But if you want to add someone that you want to play with, all you need to do is go back to the add friends tab. From here, you'll need to find the player by their player name. Suppose I'll add someone called Kraken. Now from here, I'll need to find the person that the name matches with. Then left click on them, then click on add friend, and after they accept my friend request, I can play with them and enjoy. So this is how you can add friends on Fortnite. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.